My name is Jim Ziolkowski. I'm the lab shop technician here in the Ford Center for Excellence in Manufacturing at St. Clair College. I've been with the college for 16 years and I got my training here at the college. I completed my apprenticeship and then I came back to the college to work as a technician, kind of like a bird coming home to roost. So I really enjoy working here at the college. Well, my job here is, as support staff, is to support faculty, make sure they have all the tools and equipment necessary to perform their daily lab exercises, machine shop exercises. I also work in conjunction with faculty in the shop, assisting the students in their training, teaching them a little bit of equipment and machinery that we use here in the shop. Well, I get a lot of feedback from the students. We have a lot of different students, from international students to students fresh out of high school to students who come through second careers. I measure my success by seeing what they can achieve at the end of their career. A lot of them come in with very few skills, very basic knowledge, and they leave here with a lot more than that. Building your future.